Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my top 5 tips on how I maintain my color treated and bleached curls. Now, hopefully these are steps that you're already doing at home, but if you're not, these are crucial steps to really maintaining and keeping your hair healthy after color treating. These tips will work for all hair types, so if you guys are interested in how I keep my curls healthy after color treating and bleaching, then please keep watching. So my first tip would be to use some sort of protein treatment or reparative treatment before and after color treating your hair. Today I'm using the Ovation Cell Therapy Hair and Scalp Treatment. This treatment contains high levels of vital proteins, key vitamins, and amino acids that nourish the hair and scalp for healthier hair. This treatment is also clinically proven to reduce hair breakage by over 80%, and it's safe for all hair types. I've been using this treatment for about 2 years now, and in this video I have it in the Ovation Holiday Gift Set. This gift set includes the Cell Therapy Hair and Scalp Treatment, 16-ounce curl shampoo, curl conditioner, curl enhancing cream, and hair vitamins. I usually use this treatment in the shower after my shampoo and before my conditioner. I distribute the product evenly throughout my hair and on my scalp. I leave this on for about 3 to 5 minutes while massaging it into my hair and scalp. This cell therapy treatment penetrates the hair, building strand strength while reducing hair breakage and repairing and maintaining split ends. I've actually used this treatment in many of my other videos, so if you guys want to check out some of my other tutorials using this product, I'll leave those links in the description box down below. If you're interested in learning a bit more about the Cell Therapy Hair and Scalp Treatment, or looking to grab one of these holiday boxes that was featured in this video, head over to ovationhair.com, and I'll also be leaving you guys a special promo code in my description box down below. My next tip to keep your color treated curls healthy is to moisturize and deep condition once a week or as needed. After you color treat or bleach your hair, your cuticle will be open. So by moisturizing and deep conditioning, this will fill in the extra porosity of your hair with protein and moisture, which is going to help rebuild the strength of your hair. In this video, I'm using the DevaCurl Heaven in Hair Deep Conditioner. But some other favorites of mine are the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Mask, DevaCurl Melt Into Moisture, and the Silk Elements Intense Conditioning and Hydration Mask. My next tip is to lay off the heat, and this means diffuser, hot water, or heat tools. I'm doing a quick wash and go routine, just applying my favorite hydrating and moisturizing hair products. After they're all applied, I'm going to air dry, and I would recommend sticking to air drying 2 weeks before and 2 weeks after getting your color service. This is just going to really ensure that your hair is healthy and has enough integrity to handle whatever chemicals you're applying. Now that my wash and go is fully dried, I wanted to quickly show you guys some shampoo alternatives that I love, because my tip number 4 is to lay off the sulfate shampoo. Sulfate shampoos can be very drying to your hair, and even more so when you have more porous hair due to color treating or bleaching your hair. Instead of sulfate shampoos, I like to use mild cleansers or co-washes throughout the week to keep my hair happy and hydrated. My 3 current favorites are the DevaCurl Low Poo. This is going to be more of a consistency of the shampoo but without the sulfates. Next is the DevaCurl No Poo, which is more of a co-wash. And finally, the Amika Nice Cream Cleanser, which is a co-wash as well. Last but not least, my tip number 5 is to trim your hair frequently or as needed. I recently got my hair colored, so I did get a trim at the same time just to make sure there wasn't any damaged or split ends. But what I like to do is have a salon grade pair of scissors at home, so when I see a split end or an end that doesn't look right, I can clip it before it starts any problems. If you leave damaged ends too long, they can create split ends which will travel up the hair shaft, causing breakage. Just be very careful when handling the scissors and cutting your hair, making sure not to cut too much of the curl off, but by doing small trims like this at home, it's going to help keep your hair in really great shape in between cuts. You're going to want to use sharp professional hair cutting tools, and I will link everything I used in this video down below so you guys can check those out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my top 5 tips on how I keep my hair in great shape after color treating. If you need more tutorials on what I did in this video, I have plenty on my channel that will go over the deep conditioning and my wash and go routines, so make sure to check those out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.